Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the transfer. Sign into the same WBID account on both devices or enable the in-game guest transfer option. This links your roster and purchases. Once done, make sure both phones are updated to the latest app version and on stable Wi-Fi so sync packets don't drop. You'll also want at least 50% battery to avoid interruptions. Now tap Profile Settings Data Transfer to initiate the process. You will perform the core data exchange next. On the source device, select Send Data and generate the one-time transfer code. This secures your saved progress. Then, on the target device, choose Receive Data and carefully enter the code before it expires. This authenticates the connection. Once started, watch the progress bar. Do not close the game, lock the screen, or change networks as packet loss can corrupt the transfer. After it completes, confirm your roster, purchases, and time-gated items are present. You will finish by validating and resolving any problems. Check fighters, inventories, currencies, and purchases on the target device. If something is missing, first restart the app and resync. If the transfer fails or the code expired, use the in-game support or WBID restore flow. Provide account ID so they can reattach your save. If you see duplicates or mismatched progression, capture screenshots and contact support with device model and timestamps. This speeds recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.